Hi everyone, and welcome to Amy's Art House. Today I'm doing something that is outside of my norm. I am making a greeting card, and no, it is not Pokemon for once. I have been really focused on making my own personal Pokédex, but today I'm taking a break, and I am making a sweet little Fall Guys Harry Potter crossover greeting card. I would say this is a pretty inexpensive craft to do. I don't know if anyone else would want to make something so niche and specific, but if that's something you're interested in, here's a good guide, I guess. I made this for a particular Twitch streamer that likes playing Fall Guys and is a big Harry Potter fan, so I will be sending this to her soon. But anyway, the materials that I used to make this, I used 5 sheets of paper, black, brown, white, light, and dark pink. I used 1 sheet of gray vellum paper, a card, and an envelope, a black micron pen, some scissors, I guess, and adhesive. And as you can see, like when I'm making my paper Pokemon, I am cutting out all of the pieces individually, the feet, the arms, the faceplate, and gluing them together. It's funny, I bought Fall Guys, but I don't actually play it. Like, I'm terrible at it, so I just go and watch other people play. It's just such a difficult game to be good at, I don't know. So as you can see, the left arm, I originally cut it out a little too small, so I cut a second one instead. And I'm just outlining a little bit with this black micron pen so that it stands out on the card. So I did mention this is a Harry Potter Fall Guys crossover, so I made the sorting hat, and I absolutely love it. I think it turned out really cute. It's simple, but very cute. And this brown paper is like a thick cardstock. It's almost like cardboard. So it has that kind of rugged texture that you would expect with the sorting hat. And here is the gray vellum paper that I'm using. It's a transparent type of paper, and this one, it looks almost like stitching. It looks like fabric. It's like the pattern on it, and originally I was just going to draw the eyes and the mouth of the sorting hat, but I thought that this vellum would make it look really, really cool, so I used that instead. Then I just had to think about how I wanted to lay everything out, put together the sorting hat, outline him, and give him some words as well. But before I do that, I found some vintage Harry Potter stickers at a kind of like a scrapbook sale, so I put those on the inside of the card. Once the inside was decorated with the cute vintage Harry Potter stickers, I made a nice little speech bubble for the sorting hat to say Gryffindor with white and black paper, and I wrote Gryffindor out with the black micron pen. And here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you'd like to see more of my paper crafts, please make sure to check out the channel, and I will see you again soon.